Hey guys, welcome to my first video. Today, I'm showing you guys my slime collection, which is right here. I have my friend Sadie with me, and Gavin, my brother, but okay. So, these are slimes with, like, foam in them.
Hungry?
Yeah.
Sort of.
Foam in them. They have a lot of foam in this one, obviously. There's this one, which has a lot of foam in it too. This one I think is mostly foam. Today I'm over Sadie's house, so.
Yeah, and you brought all your slimes with you.
Because I decided to. Why are all your slimes so weird? Why are my slimes so weird and sticky? I'm so confused with this. Oh God, this one's jiggly slime. I put my finger into it. I honestly I forgot. I forgot that I made jiggly slime. I was like, I put my finger into it. I'm like, did I miss or something? Because I was like, it's so soft.
Have you touched that one since last night when you made it?
I made it. I touched it once, and I was like, so soft and fluffy. Oh, we also have this container, and this container, and this container, and that container. So this one has like, it has glitter in it.
Oh, don't open that. That one's so...
Sadie, touch this one.
Okay, hold
This
on.
is another jiggly slime.
Yeah, I have a lot of I only have 2 jigglies. I used to have 3.
These ones in the containers are Sadie's. This one's mine.
Then put it in the air thing.
No, touch this
No, I don't want it done that fast.
Yeah.
Touch
So
it.
this one's pretty cool.
I don't want your hand.
You don't have to.
It smells,
It doesn't have to get on. It
smells
doesn't get on your
fine.
hands. Touch it.
My mom made us have to wash our hands.
Touch it.
Oof. This slime.
Touch it.
I love this slime that she made. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
It's kind of like a molding slime. Is it? Look. How'd you make this?
A lot of shaving cream.
Oh. It's
This
like a
one is
moldy
really good.
slime. Oh, and then this one.
They've looked.
This one.
Okay, so this one I gave to Avery.
Which one? That one, yeah.
Hey, say,
What?
I can't go to Joey and George
Why?
because I'm working for this lady.
Well, that means I could have gone to Devin's party, but now it's too late because she's going with Julia.
No, you're still going.
Oh, I am?
Yeah,
With who?
down the pop.
Come on. Mom.
Hey, you haven't seen them.
But still, you have to go, Mom.
I like this one. I like this one. Oh, and then this is the one in the white container. This one. This one's in a galaxy slime container.
I miss him so much. Yeah, I took that out of the galaxy. I took the galaxy slime out of that because the galaxy slime dried up. And yeah.
I like this one.
What did I get on
Ugh. Avery, what are you doing? That was the dog.
Why is it?
I'm playing with these.
Just don't take them out.
Why?
Because they get so sticky.
I like this one. This one I need to mix more because all the bees on top.
Dad, are you farting over here?
No, that's Sadie.
Nuh-uh.
Hey, are you farting over here?
It's the slime.
This one I need to mix more.
But this one's really good. I really like this one.
Yeah, I like
This
that
one's
one
a fishbowl
too.
slime.
Yeah.
Why is it called fishbowl
Look,
slime?
it's got these little beads in it. What's the pink stuff on? Oh, it took it off there. That is so cool.
Wait, why? What's inside of it?
It's called beaties.
Where'd you get those?
I got them from Lucy. They're called beaties. And it's really, oh wait.
You can barely feel them.
Yeah, I know. It's cool though. Here, wait.
Oh gosh. Oh, she's adding color to it.
Oh, Gav. Wash your hands, Gav.
Gav, what'd you do?
He was weird.
What'd you do?
He got slime on him. I don't understand how other people get slime stuck to them and I don't. It's just so weird.
I honestly never get slime stuck to me. I love this slime. Now forgive me, my camera skills are very, very, very bad.
Very, very, very bad.
I honestly, this is my first time making a video of slime. So, it's very, very hard to make some type of weird thing that balances. So my camera stays. Stay, Mr. Camera, stay.
What are you doing?
Adding color.
Ah, nobody touched it.
Okay.
Gavin, stop. Oh, move. I want to mix this one.
Okay.
This is my, honestly, this is my favorite one. Because of how soft it is and how much, like, it's just the perfect amount of beads.
How do you get it stuck here? It's not sticky.
This one's not sticky.
How
I love this one.
this one's turning like a pinky.
This one's very, very pretty. I'm bringing out some of the jiggly slime. It's very hard to bring out the jiggly slime. Woo, I got it.
Oh, put that one back. That one gets everywhere.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm trying to be very, very careful with it. How'd you make it anyways?
You have to use liquid starch. I made it at Kenzie's house from
I don't have liquid starch.
Pushing on it harder.
Oh, when'd you go
No.
When'd you go there? Sadie, play with it under there.
So this one, it is a fishbowl slime, and I really like this one because it's got little beads in it, and I really like it.
I made up my own slime. It's called popcorn slime. I really, really like the jiggly slimes.
Look at it.
Wow.
I really like that. It's gonna turn like a purpley.
I like this one. I like this one.
Dash, whatever you do, don't take the purpley out, and make sure the beads are in their own container.
I don't know why, but I really, really like this one.
Baby, everything that I have is yours. Everything. Wait, you will never go cold or hungry.
Oh God.
It's funny if it fell into the slime.
That would be very, very hard to put back. I'm trying to.
Oh, this one's about to fall. I don't want it.
Wait, give me some of this.
Hey. I
Got
already
it.
showed it into the camera.
I know. I'm just saying. Joke. If you couldn't tell, there are like tiny, tiny beads in this.
I showed them.
Like very, very tiny ones. Let me get a small piece and like.
Baby, you will never go cold or
You got a real
hungry.
nice card from
I've been in my
Canadian.
gauge. I've been in my death gauge. Baby, you. Excuse me. I gotta get the daughter.
It's very, very nice.
The mom's always taking.
Need the daughter. Oh gosh. Sorry.
Really?
There we go.
Don't dot my other slimes. You can only dot that one once because it's so small now.
I dotted it 3 times. Oh well.
Hey, what's that?
Oh look! There was a pink bubble right there.
Okay, I'm adding no more of this.
I want to add one more.
No, because it'll be too pink.
Why don't you want it too pink?
Because it's blue.
It's called fishbowl slime for a reason, Gav.
It's supposed to be like the deep blue ocean.
I really like
You'll never
this
go cold or
color.
hungry. I've been in my
That's what you-
way.
I like this
How
color.
much did that take you?
5 minutes.
See the jiggly slime? It's very, very nice jiggly slime.
No, this whole thing.
I didn't make this. I bought it.
Why is there this in there? There's a piece of foam in this.
Oh no. Yeah, some of them get mixed by accident. You'll never go cold or hungry. Yeah, I don't want to go. Do you?
Eh.
Where do you not want to go?
Girl Scout. You go.
Where's Gavin going? I love this.
How'd you do that?
I don't know. I just swing my neck. Okay, I'm done with slime.
So it cracked your knuckles?
Well, this video has come to an end. So, thank you for watching my first video. And all I have to say is
I can't anymore.
bye.